That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, we are cleaning my master bedroom. I am stripping down the bed because I am going to wash all of the linens except for the mattress pad, and we are going to go into the closet and we're going to wipe down all of the surfaces, and we're going to clean my bathroom. I'm not going to clean the bathtub or the shower or anything, but yeah. If I do introduce a new product or anything, I will come back on and speak with you all, but just enjoy the music.
Talking about us, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us.
This is the product that I'll be using to wipe down all of the surfaces. I really do love the scent. It's in lavender, and I thought it would be easier for me and quicker if I just stuck with one product.
But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us, us, us. They don't know about us, They don't get it, babe, living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it, babe.
This Clorox toilet wand is very new to me. It's my first time using it, and I do highly recommend it if you're still using the traditional toilet bowl scrubber. I know that this is a body mist, but it smells so good. I always spray it on all of our fresh linens.
Let our story begin. I wanna feel every little bit of your sunburned skin. I just found out I got a new desire. You're telling me I cannot get any higher, but baby I know when my love-searching soul is on fire. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Master Sweet Clean with me today. I hope it motivated someone to go ahead and wash those linens if necessary. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments and give it a big thumbs up as well. Also, let me know if you enjoy this type of video, because I don't mind making more of them. I would love to have you join, so consider subscribing if you've not already, and I hope I didn't already say that, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.